Guys, back starting na po guys. At the time at 1 afternoon, we're starting job yours in this day. Save your so work, hard work, your constructions. Napay na to guys. God be the best for your support guys. I will spirit your conditioning for your fire, your job hard work. But safety first only before not be dangerous. Our time for your job. Prayers, Lord, as God is promise is base your important believe your God and man with all people Savior and your prayer. Thanks your guys. Thanks your guys for today's in 1 afternoon in the day. Shout out sa tanan guys sa tagsa-tagsa sa inyo na mo tagan labi na tong kubian og cellphone o katupong dipod mo cellphone dito ka kita. Thank you guys.